So it is Monday, March 14th, and tomorrow, March 15th, marks my basically technical 9 years on testosterone. Like I've said before, and if you haven't followed my videos, I actually did skip a few months and get off for a few months, but it was less than a year, so I don't really count it because I was still living as a male. And technically my T date is October 28th, but the second date I started T was on March 15th, so I celebrate my 9 years on March 15th. So happy 9 years to me. And as of last Friday, I am 6 weeks post-op, so happy 6 weeks and 9 years on testosterone for me. I wanted to do a little bit of a chest update mixed with a T update mixed with a life update. So I'll start with the chest first. I got cleared of all restrictions last Friday. It was my 6 weeks. I did develop a seroma on my right side that you can see. It's gone down quite a bit actually, and it's starting to look more even since my last video. I got the go-ahead to use, well, at first, before I actually got my surgery, and I was when I was recovering from my surgery, I bought things for aftercare. So I've been using like Bactine to spray different spots that I get those little pimples on, and antibiotic ointment for the little pus and pimples that I get. I've been using Aquaphor on my chest, my whole chest, to keep it hydrated. And I had bought a whole thing of bio oil for no reason, because my surgeon's assistant doctor recommended scar strips for me because of the way I scar. So I didn't start using the bio oil. I actually bought these, and I have been using these. I used them for 3 uses of 1 strip, because the adhesive goes on these pretty fast. About 3 or 4 uses each. So I've done 3 and then 2. So I've done 5 uses, and already you can see that this side of the tissue that was real hard before and was sticking out like this far is gone, and this side tissue that was sticking out far is gone, and my scars are starting to soften up in appearance and in feeling. So I really like these. I'm gonna continue to use them for the next week. Well, I've been using them for a week, so I'm gonna keep using them for the next 5 weeks. But I've been working out a little bit. I've been working out, not my chest or anything like that, just my shoulders and my biceps and my triceps and my legs. Nothing with my chest yet, no push-ups, no pull-ups, just very light weights, 5 pound, 10 pound. I've just been working out lightweight to keep myself in shape. Tea update, I finally am growing a beard. As you can see, it's pretty patchy. It's very patchy, not on this side, but on this side it's pretty patchy. But I'm finally growing a beard, and I want to thank, first of all, this, which is a derma roller. If people tell you that they don't work and you don't consider trying them, I'm telling you, you're missing out, because for me it worked greatly. That's what actually started up my beard. So I've always thought about this oil, and I've never actually used it because I've always just gone to Walgreens or Walmart or Rite Aid and bought beard products. And I've thought about this type of oil for a long time because I take the supplement, but I never actually pursued getting it. But I finally did, and it has been making my hairs stick out. Like, my beard is starting to stick out on the sides. It's actually pullable. So biotin oil. Biotin oil works really good. I actually recommended it to a friend of mine, and his beard is growing as well. So that stuff works wonders, along with, I use this on my head hair, and I use this on my beard hair, and it helps moisturize it and keep it moisturized a lot. So yeah, finally growing a beard. Sorry, TMI, I've always had nipple hair, but for some reason I'm starting to get hair in the middle of my chest and along my incisions. So That's starting. So a lot more body hair with the testosterone because I am a little over a year and a half on that Zystead. Um, but as far as life goes, I've been just, recovering, working on my mental health while recovering because it's rough to sit in the house and not do anything for 6 weeks. But I also am starting to look for a job because I was cleared of all restrictions as of last Friday. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So seroma's going down. I'm pretty happy with my results. My chest looks good. It's a little uneven, but it'll get there. I can't judge it based upon 6 weeks post-op. I gotta wait at least like a year to see what my chest is actually gonna look like. So that's pretty much it. I am now 9 years on testosterone, 6 weeks post-op. Peace.